Most people have a love-hate relationship when it comes to suede shoes. After all, they can look incredible, but scuffs and marks can be near impossible to remove. Rubbing with water can just make the stain worse, and suede cleaners rarely leave the shoes like new as promised. However, one woman recently discovered a solution for cleaning suede shoes. And you probably already own the secret ingredient. Read more. Makeup artist's fake eyelashes hack goes viral on Facebook. Ciara O'Hagan, from Scotland, found that micellar water is capable of bringing your suede shoes back to life, which she proved with pictures of her own nude suede heels. O'Hagan tweeted the before and after photos of her heels with the caption, "Micellar water has just taken all the stains out of my suede heels. Everyone needs to try this," and her advice has since gone viral. In the photos, which have been liked over 36,000 times, O'Hagan's muddied heels are transformed with micellar water, leaving them completely stain-free in the after photos. Micellar water is soft water made up of micelles, or tiny balls of cleansing oil molecules. Micellar water has just took all the stains out my suede heels. Weary cat face, weary cat face, weary cat face. Everyone needs to try this. pic.twitter.com/W89OSTO3Q. Ciara, at Ciara O'Hagan, January 22, 2018. The cleanser is typically used as a makeup remover, facial cleanser, and moisturizer. However, dermatologist Hadley King of Skinny Medispa told HuffPost, micelles are attracted to dirt and oil, so they are able to draw out impurities without drying out the skin, which also makes them a great suede cleaning solution. And, according to O'Hagan, who put micellar water on a cotton pad and rubbed away, the cleanser also works on white suede trainers too. Holy crap, the micellar water worked on my Vans. pic.twitter.com/1pime.mads, at Maddie Powers, January 27, 2018. Others are now sharing their own photos of their suede shoes, made perfect again thanks to micellar water and O'Hagan's advice. One woman responded, "This has saved my life. Was about to chuck these heels. Allow how ruined they were. Crying face, not perfect but this actually works." Celebratory gesture. pic.twitter.com/kgrtxout. Katie Crook, at Catatilly Rose, January 25, 2018. According to her tweets, O'Hagan used Garnier micellar water. Available in most drug stores. The 10 best cleansers. 10 show all the 10 best cleansers. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, 10/10. I swear micellar water is made with unicorn tears because it's the most magical thing I've ever tried, wrote